In this video, we are going to discuss about the recruitment. எப்படியெல்லாம் வேலை தேடலாம் அப்படிங்கிற கான்செப்ட் தான். இதுல பார்த்தோம்னா ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட்ல ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான கான்செப்ட். How the employers are recruiting a person. In what way we can search a job. நம்ம எந்தெந்த வேலையெல்லாம் ஜாபை சர்ச் பண்ணலாம் அப்படிங்கிறனா. இப்போ நிறைய வந்துட்டு அட்வான்ஸ்டு டெக்னாலஜிஸ் வந்துட்டு வந்துருச்சு. ஸோ we can able to find a job, especially in job portals. Job portalsலாம் தான் வந்துட்டு it is an important. This is the thing. Anyhow, we'll discuss from the traditional method. The traditional method in the sense, first of all, we can say the employee referral. யாராவது ஒருத்தங்க ஒரு கம்பெனியில் ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா அவங்க மூலயமா வந்துட்டு they will suggest a friend or relatives. Okay, that is the employee referral. Then we are going to discuss about the government and public exchange. It is one of the oldest method and as well as the traditional also. Next is private employment exchange. And then we can speak about the employment consultancies, professional associations, deputation, word of mouth, labor contractors, job portals. Okay. So these are the methods we can, these are the sources to find a job, employment opportunity. Actually, this is one of the important chapter also for higher secondary students, commerce students. Okay. Yes. This is an employee's referral. This picture denotes that employees referral. One existing employee of the organization may recommend to the some of the relatives or known person or else the friends circles. Okay, so that is the thing. It is a employees referral, we can say. And the next is this as we can see that government employment exchanges. This is established by the government. It is only to facilitate the recruitment throughout the country. Here we can it makes the available information and also the database of the employers, and as well as they were the bridge between the job seeker and job provider. The next we can say this as private employment agencies. There are many private employment agencies are there to find out the suitable person or the candidate. They also the bridge between the job seeker and as well as the job provider. So once if we register in this private consultancy, whatever vacancies they will intimate us through the email or else through the call. The next, it is an employment consultancies, we can say. This is this type of firms facilitate recruitment on behalf of client companies at cost, and usually they provide a data relating to executives and top level personnel, for which service they charge like consultancy fees they will charge. That is also known as a recruitment process outsourcing. We can say this employment consultancy as a recruitment process outsourcing. The next we can come for this professional associations. It is a very professional, if an employer is finding a professional person, they will go for the any of the institutions like chartered account, company secretaries institution. So finding the right person, and the employer will take a risk to find the rightful hand for the to lead the organization. So this is a professional association. So directly they are visiting the professionals and they are selecting a persons. Okay. The next we can go with, this is one of the deputation. Okay, we knew already that deputation means a person who is already an employee of an organization can be adopted for a specific job or a specific period. That is a short term solution, so that is a deputations. And the next is word of mouth. If a vacancy is there, the information relating to the job seekers is collected through the people of repute who pass on the message about the vacancy to their known people. So that is a word of mouth. There is no formal of written or else the newspaper advertisement, just a word of mouth. The next is, it is a labor contractors. The organization has recruited the unskilled and manual laborers also through this contractor. One leading person will be there to lead all these contractors. Okay, so this is a contractor, labor contractors we can say. And last we can find in the job portal. Various job portals are there. By using an internet, we can find the proper place for our qualifications. Okay, so that is like Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor. These are the Quora. These are the job portals which is we can search the job. Okay, so these are the few things for finding a job.